Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about media when it comes to restaurant marketing. Now, there are times when restaurants that I work with have been contacted by local papers who are offering to do reviews. Now, I would say always take these papers up on it, make sure that they're treated really well, but always make sure that all the other customers are being looked after really well as well. This is really important. Customer service is the make or break of a business. So if a news entity asks to review your restaurant, what you want to do is you want to welcome them in, be really friendly, and provide them with great customer service throughout the entirety of their stay. Now, what will happen is they will put a review online. So what you do is you take that review and you share it to your page. Link them in your Facebook page and say, hey, these guys came down from the news. They gave us a really great review. Thank you so much. Be really positive about the people who've come in to review you. This will help it when it comes to like foodie bloggers. They will notice things like this and they will have a higher chance of contacting you, which is really good. So how else can you use the media? Well, one of my friends actually had a truck crash into his restaurant, and he sent me the video for that. So basically, he got in contact with the papers and told them about it. Now, it's really good in these circumstances. If something really bad happens to your restaurant, you can put something out there to people and share it, because people like stuff that's interesting, engaging, where there's a lot of action, or when something bad has happened. You know, if you're like the underdog restaurant and everything, and you've been struggling for years and you're getting through it and you're fighting, and something like this happens, it's really good for you because people will share it and it will help get your name out there. So don't always see something bad that happens to you as something which is negative. Use the media where you can to try and get your business promoted. Now, I wouldn't ever recommend you contact the media and contact them and say, hey, can you put adverts out for us or anything like that? Unless it's like a local newspaper that's really popular. Then, yeah, maybe having an advert on their site could be good. But make sure you put a tracking code in it. I really need to do that video on tracking codes. Anyway, doing something like this whenever you have any form of media interaction. If someone that leaves a review, and you should be look up your restaurant online and look up the reviews, and any entity that has put a review like this up about you that is positive, what you need to do is you need to put that on your page, because then you can say, hey, these people really enjoyed our stuff, we really appreciate them. I mean, let's say a foodie's come in and they've given a really good review in their food blog. What you can do then is you can basically get in contact with them and give them a free meal, because they deserve it. They're a foodie and they will come back because they're a foodie. That's the beautiful thing, because there's this reciprocity going. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.